Whatever happened, that is gone. Of course, there were a lot of hurdles, before this game, whether this game will happen or not. But all that is done. Now the focus should be on the cricket, which is the main part. Of course, I'm hoping that India will play well in this game, even though Pakistan is also a very strong team, especially in these conditions, in bigger grounds and with their spinners bowling really well. So I think it's going to be a great game to watch, and of course, hopefully, India plays well and make us all proud. See, he's someone that I have seen him bowl in one of the tournament in Dubai, ILT20, where he was pick of the bowler for me. Where whenever he got the opportunity to play in the semi-final and the final, he was man of the match, picking up wickets for his team. He's different than the other spinners, and of course, he's got a lot of variation. It's just not stopping, and what he brings onto the table is he's got a lot of variation. People are talking about he's just standing and delivering. It's not easy. Anybody can stand and bowl, but you got to have different variation, which he's got. And of course, he's hard to hit, and especially in bigger grounds, he'll be even more harder on slower pitches. So all I want to say that be a little bit mindful when you are playing against someone that you have never faced before, and if India can manage to tackle him and not give him any kind of big wicket. So I think India have got the team, can definitely defeat Pakistan with a lot of match winners in Indian side. And it's good to see Abhishek is also coming back, who plays spins really well, and he kind of dominate throughout his inning. So India is ready for sure, so is Pakistan. So it's going to be a great game to watch, and I'm hoping that Team India continue to play well and hopefully make us all proud.